Guys, so that was the spa cafe at Ayana and the spa like gift shop. And it has all their like oils, soaps, everything like that. So as you probably know or may not know, it's my birthday today. My lovely wife and I are doing a aquatonic spa treatment. It's a 2-hour treatment, and yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Can't wait. Yeah, so we've got half an hour. We're a bit early, a bit keen. So we're walking up to the Aquatonic Spa. There's a map here. It shows you what to do. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. At the moment it's not turned on, but it's gonna be. I'm excited. And just over here there are some beds where you can sit down and relax. It's really nice. And there is a bath here too, like a jacuzzi. Wow, and just down here there's a little golf course. What an amazing view. Now another thing too is you may not be able to hear me crystal clear this morning because I haven't got my microphone on today because I don't want it getting wet. So I hope you can hear my voice and that you enjoy spa treatment like I will. Cannot wait. Hey guys, so unfortunately I'm not allowed to record at the pool for privacy reasons. So this is the change room. You come through the doors, through there, come in here, and this is the change room. Hey guys, so 2 hours of being in a massive sauna with high pressure jets going at you. It's quite something. The males gentlemen's lounge, which is in there, we get changed. It's so refreshing. It really, really is. I really enjoyed it. It's like being. It's not like your everyday toilet or bathroom. It's like there's shampoo, there's conditioner, there's body lotion, there's hairspray. Someone's here to take your dirty towel. It's really something. It's really awesome. Now my wife was saying to me before, remember to when you get here, if you book direct to Ayana or Rimba or any of the sister hotels, so Ayana's, the Villa, or Rimba, whatever it may be, if you book direct for the rooms, you get 20% off. So to get that 20% off, because we just realised that we thought we could pay cash here for our treatment, you only get 20% off if they charge it to your room. If you hand them cash, you can't get 20% off. So just a bit of a hint, if you want that 20% off, it has to be charged to your room, not cash. So yeah, just remember. It's been, so it was a fantastic day. I really enjoyed myself, and it's just breathtaking, speechless. But yeah, I really enjoyed Hey guys, so we are now at Rock Bar, the most famous rock bar ever. Amazing place, it's always packed, and you must book. You should definitely book, because if you don't book, it's chaos. So yeah, highly recommending that you book, okay? Yeah. Oh, hey guys, so this is amazing. So you got a bar over here, and many more bars. You got one bar here, one bar over there, and it's getting packed already. All for that. How's that, eh? All for that sunset. The best sunset ever. So you got the DJ happening over there. Good on him, mate. Fantastic music. They gave me my birthday wish, which was to get as close to the rocks, to the sunset as possible, to get a good view. So this is not my seat. My seat's just down there. So it's packed. Great atmosphere. Really enjoying it. Tomorrow's my last day here. We fly out tomorrow and back home to Perth. So yeah, awesome guys. So it's almost that time for the sunsets. Check it out. So we're in a pretty good location, but it would be awesome to be up there. Even when you say it's your birthday, you still don't go up there. Anyway, it's a good place to be. The prices of drinks is pretty high, but no problem at all. So yeah, a lot of people here, and we're all having a good time. And yeah, if you ever do get a chance to come here, you will love it. It's got good music, great atmosphere, and amazing views. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Hey guys, so we are about to get onto a scary ride, which takes us down to the Ayana private beach.
Oh my gosh.
That's it down there. Wow, very scary. And we go down. There's the private beach just here. We are heading to the beach club, where you can get drinks and food and enjoy the scenery.
Spa on the rocks.
Spa on the Rocks is over there.
So there's 300. And I think that's the wedding lookout up there.
The wedding lookout's just up there. Hey guys, so we have rocked up at the Kubu Beach Club, and this is their menu. Looks very nice. And on the back has a burger and things like that, nasi goreng, and different types of drinks and beers, juices. Good choice all around. This is where we're sitting at the moment, probably right here, and we're in these little cabanas all the way here, and there is the lift that takes you up and down. So you got monkeys right here. Oh, there's more down here, and there's some over there. Hello monkeys. Little ones. Oh, hello. Hello.
There's one hiding.
And there's more over here too. This is Ayana's monkey feeding area, where wild monkeys are having their breakfast. Hello! Twice a day. Hey guys, so this is the Orchard bar area. So you got this area. So lovely. And it smells beautiful here. It's a beautiful smell. And yeah, so this is where you can have your coffees and lunch and all that. And then, oh, there's cooking school.
cooking school.
Ah,
But it's raining. Be careful.
yeah. This is the cooking school just over there. And they got their own salads here.
Okay, that's for the organic, for the sparkling.
Organic stuff, yeah. I wish you guys could smell this. This is delicious. I'm smelling different foods. That's amazing. And we got the fish, big fish. Wow. So yeah, in here is a cooking school. Quite amazing. So yeah, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful here. Wow. So yeah,
Actual
allow us
tea shop is in here.
to take you into the Orchard Tea Shop. My wife will go first.
See the bells?
And they got bells. So inside here is the coffee area, and you can have cake and everything.
These are all real.
They're all real, not fake. So this is it's all air-conned to a certain temperature. And these are the beautiful cakes. Very, very nice.
Nice cake.
Beautiful. My mouth's getting watered. Beautiful cakes.